बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। जो टॉपिक अभी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है उसकी अभी मैं समरी आप लोगों को बताता हूँ। टुडे वी एक्सप्लेन्ड द टॉपिक the levels of biological organization. This topic is on page number 13. So I have explained this topic. Now I summarize the topics which I have explained. Today our topic was the levels of biological organization. The bodies of living things are made up of different organs, different parts organized in a certain manner. Atoms combine together form molecules, molecules form organelles, organelles form cells, cells combine together and form tissues, tissues constitute organs, organs constitute organ systems, and many organ systems are present in an organism. So these are levels of biological organization. The first level of biological organization is subatomic particles and atoms. All living and non-living things are made up of atoms. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. So each atom is further composed of subatomic particles, which are electrons, protons and neutrons. The bodies of organisms are made of 16 kinds of elements. These are called bioelements. Our bodies are made up of 16 kinds of elements. So these 16 kinds of elements are known as bioelements. These are the bioelements. Percentage composition of bioelements: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus. These elements constitute 99% of our body. 1% element, the percentage which is less than the percentage of elements which is less than these elements is 1%. These elements are potassium, sulfur, chlorine, sodium, magnesium, copper, iron, manganese, zinc, iodine. So these are also bioelements. So these 16 kinds of elements are called bioelements. These bioelements form the bodies of living organisms. Level 2, the next level is molecules and compounds. The atoms of bioelements combine to form biomolecules. Biomolecules are those molecules which are made up of the atoms of bioelements. Biomolecules are of two types: micromolecules and macromolecules. Micromolecules are those biomolecules which have low molecular weight. For example, water, glucose molecules are micromolecules. The biomolecules which have higher molecular weight are called macromolecules, such as the molecules of proteins, the molecules of lipids are macromolecules. The third level is organelles. These biomolecules combine together and form organelles. Organelles are subcellular structures which are present in the cells of animals and plants. Some of the organelles are mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes. The function of mitochondria is to produce energy in the cell. The function of chloroplast is to perform photosynthesis in plant cells, and the function of ribosomes is to prepare proteins inside the cells. The next level is cells. The basic structural and functional unit of organisms is cell. We can say that cell is the basic structural and functional unit of organisms. Cells contain many organelles like mitochondria. Cells contain chloroplast, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum. So these are subcellular structures, and these subcellular structures are present in cells. So cells are the basic structural and functional unit of organisms. The next level is tissues. Tissues are the group of those cells which are similar in structure and functions. The cells which are similar in structure and function combine together and form tissues. So there are many types of tissues. For example, mesophyll tissues are found in plant cells, in plants' body. Glandular tissues are present in animals' bodies. The next level is organs. A group of related tissues is called organ. Stomach is an organ. Stomach is an organ. It is made up of two major tissues. Epithelial tissues are found in stomach. Muscular tissues are found in stomach. These two types of tissues are present in stomach. Epithelial tissues secrete gastric juice, which helps in digestion. Muscular tissues help in grinding food. The next level is organ system. The organ constitutes an organ system which perform particular functions. Those organs which are related to each other and they have specific functions, they combine together and form a system which is called organ system. For example, blood circulatory system. There are organs. For example, heart is an organ which is present in blood circulatory system. Veins, capillaries, arteries are also found in blood circulatory system. So organ systems are made up of the organ systems are made from organs. The last level of biological organization is organism. Organ systems collectively form whole organisms. When many organ systems combine together, they form a whole organisms. They form the complete body of organisms. For example, in human beings, different organ systems are present. For example, in human bodies, blood circulatory system is present, which supply blood, oxygen to all parts of the body, which receives deoxygenated blood from the body. So the function of blood circulatory system is to supply food, oxygen to all parts of the body. Respiratory system, the function of respiratory system is to release energy inside our body. Digestive system the function of digestive system is to digest food in our bodies. So these different types of organ systems combined together, they coordinate with each other and form the complete body of organisms, and they help each other in their functions. Thank you so much.